In this video, we will give you an overview of the FedEx Shipping and Label Printing app by PoCo. As you see this page, you've installed our app, and with a few simple steps, you'll be able to start getting FedEx rates in your front end. There's two options for choosing an account. You can use the PoCo account, which will return the same rates as FedEx.com does. Or you can use your own account, which will bring you any special discounted rates that you get and also allows you to print your own label. If you choose this option, you will need to generate a client ID, client secret, and get your account number. We have an instructional video that walks you through all of these steps here. For this example, we're going to use the PoCo account. You'll need to start by adding the origin country where you are shipping from, select the state, and enter your zip code. Click Update, and we can move to the second tab, the Shipping Preferences. You can select how the package is going to be dropped off with FedEx. There's three options: contact FedEx to schedule, drop off at a FedEx location, or use already scheduled pickup. You need to select the origin address type, residential or commercial, based on where you're shipping from, and a default destination address type. With FedEx, commercial to commercial address offers slightly lower rates and the ground option. And if you're shipping to a residential address, it will be using ground home delivery. So just be aware of that. Now, if you use label printing, you can change this address, the address type, before you print a label. This is just a default for getting rates. And last but not least, there is an insurance option here. You can add insurance to the quote, and you can estimate the total for the insurance that you need to cover by a percentage of the retail price. It could be 100%, 50%, etc. For our example, we're going to choose None and click Update. Next, we're going to select the packaging settings. There are two options here. One is flat rate shipping. If you choose a flat rate shipping, you need to select the box that you will be shipping with, and you can only select one box at a time. Or you can use weight only shipping option, and we have two different methods to calculate how many boxes are needed. One is to set a maximum weight for the box. If the total weight of the products that are added to the cart by the customer exceed this number, a second box will be reached. Another option is by maximum number of products per box. This is generally helpful if you use products that are all the same size and you know that you can only ship 10 of them in a box. Then you can set this number to 10, and then whenever there's an 11th product, a secondary box will be added. If you do not need to use this, select 0 and click Update. Now we're going to the carrier page. There is a list of all the carriers that UPS offers. This list will vary based on your origin country. And at the top, you will see all of the domestic methods, and at the bottom, you will see the international carriers. You can enable all the carriers that you need. Just remember, ground and home delivery. Enable both, or the one that matches the destination address that you are using. You don't have to enable all of these. You can just enable the options that you want to offer. And at this point, in order to activate them, you will be prompted to start your free trial. Make sure that you do that. Once these are active, we should be able to start getting rates on our front end. So we're going to open up the front end of our shop, and we're going to add a product to the cart and add the functionality. click Add to Cart, and now when we go to view the cart, we should be seeing the FedEx rates. You have home delivery, second day, or priority overnight. One other thing that we can do for these options, we can edit them and we can change the name. So let's say we don't want to say home delivery, we can just say ground. Transit time is up to us to enter. It will be displayed in the checkout, so we can do something like 3 to 7 days. We can select to add an extra charge to the shipping rate, either a percentage of the order total, a fixed amount, or a percentage of the shipping total. This is good if you want to add some sort of a handling fee. And last but not least, you can set a free shipping limit specific to this carrier. Here for our testing, we're going to add $300 and click and go back to the cart page. We're going to increase this to a higher number that will qualify us for free shipping. And now we can see that ground is showing as 0, and we get updated rates for the rest of the shipping options. Last but not least, the label printing tab. In order to use label printing, you have to use your own account, and we will follow up with a video showing how to print a label shortly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can use the Contact Us button at the top of the app, or email us at wix@prestochanger.com. Thank you for using our app.